ओके, द रिकॉर्डिंग है स्टार्टिंग। सो ये वीडियो निफ्टी के लिए है, इंट्राडे के लिए। कैसे आप उसमें ट्रेड कर सकते हो रोज। रोज तो नहीं, मेरा मानना ये है कि रोज आप काम नहीं कर सकते इस मार्केट में। महीने में 30 दिन है और मार्केट 20 दिन या 22 दिन ओपन है, तो आपके लिए पर्टिकुलर अपॉर्चुनिटी कितने दिन आ रही है। इफ़ यू से यू आर अ सिस्टम बेस्ड ट्रेडर, आपके सिस्टम पे जब ट्रेड आएगा आप तभी लोगे। तो 20 में से कितने दिन, टेल मी, थिंक अबाउट इट। 5 दिन, 6 दिन, 9 दिन मैक्स, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं होगा। तो जब आप कह रहे हो कि 20 में से 11 दिन हम कुछ ही नहीं कर रहे हैं, इसमें से 22 दिन, तो हम 13-14 दिन कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हैं। इफ इट इज़ अ गुड मंथ, राइट। सो आपको व्हाट आई विल बी टेलिंग अबाउट यू इज टुडे इज निफ्टी intraday momentum strategy, right? Works on 5 minutes. Have to get your level in 1 hour, 4 hour, seeing 15 minutes chart and determining your high and low of the day, right? मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है कि जैसे आज का ये मार्केट है, तो मुझे पता होना चाहिए कि इस मार्केट का कितना ये ऊपर जा सकता है, कितना नीचे जा सकता है, इसकी अपर लिमिट क्या है, इसकी लोअर लिमिट क्या है, राइट। इसके प्रीवियस रेजिस्टेंसेस क्या है इन द शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ 45 से, कि ये यहाँ तक जा सकता है मैक्स। ये अगर इसने यहाँ से तोड़ दिया तो ये यहाँ तक जा सकता है, राइट, मैक्स, राइट। और तो किसी को नहीं पता कहाँ जाएगा मार्केट। आप कल सुबह आओगे, आप क्या समझोगे, राइट। वही सेम चीज़ यहाँ पर मैक्स, यहाँ पर, यहाँ नीचे मैक्स, राइट। ऊपर का इतना, नीचे का इतना। आप यहाँ पर ऑल टच से लाइन कर दो, राइट। देन व्हाट you would do is you would come in Nifty. सिंपल स्ट्रेटेजी, 2 मिनट में समझ में आ जाएगी, कोई इधर उधर की चीज़ नहीं। बट व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट इज, सी, ट्रेडिंग इज नॉट हार्ड, बट फॉलोइंग अ सिस्टम, being on time, being consistent, being doing this over and over and over, that's what makes money. The system, the setup, nothing makes money. Being consistent and having a good risk reward, a good, like, consistency, right? What is the key to success? Consistency. Okay, so we'll we have marked the levels, right? Okay, so this is the strategy now. If the if we have to take a buy, right, we will only do buy in options. If we have to do a buy, then what we have to do, we have to do an Ishimoku buy setup, right? Both lines, the Chico span, the baseline, the Kijun Sen, these three lines should be out of the cloud and the cloud should be green, right? And the price should be breaking the Kumo. This is Kumo, right? Kumo means cloud in Japanese. So if you know, there are 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a 5 line system. These all 5 lines, if they are like in this arrangement, right? If you see, this is an ideal array. Then we will say yes, we can take a buy. But you can only see we will buy after this has broken out of the cloud, right? Same here. If you see, if the what they say, Chico span crosses below the candles, then we will take a sell, right? This was below the Kumo, but it has to come down candles, right? Okay. See, if you are understanding what I am saying, I will show you this chart. This was 29th. It was just like a day where you can say the market kept falling, right? It was just an momentum trading day. It was one of a day where you can say in a month, one day, a day in a month which you wait for if you are a momentum trader, right? You get a setup here where the Kumo is red, the all the 5 lines are below, right? And this continues. So this is the 3 trades which I have placed, right? And this is the one trade that I did today, right? 66 pips, and this one was like I didn't take this trade, so I'm very like I would have taken the trade if the price would have closed below this, but yeah, I have posted about this on Twitter. If you don't follow me, then you can follow there, right? So yeah, you would get good pips or like points. I don't know what they say in Nifty, but yeah, that is the thing. And for future and option, simple thing: price below the cloud or these 5 lines below the cloud, then it's a sell, like here, all the 5 lines below the cloud, right? And the price also breaking the Kumo, then it's a sell, and you can sell and hold till the like this is a dead crossover, right? You can hold it till here. Same in buy here, all criteria are fulfilled, and take out your position here, or you can say here, right? So it is a classic Ishimoku uh, trend following system, right? What I am saying is this system is profitable. You have to just be consistent, risk a small amount of money. Don't do this every day. If I didn't see my setup, if the market goes on like this for today, I wouldn't have traded, right? I only trade because I get an trade on my system, right? Not a hard thing to say, but yeah, hard thing to follow. You can see you will get good amount of profits from this. And what you have to do is buy an ITM. If the market is here, then you can buy an ITM of 24,000. If the market is here, then you can also buy 24,000 ITM. If the market is here, then you can buy all the 24,000 ITM, right? In the money. It will be expensive, but yeah, it will do the work. Like if I'm here 23,400 levels, right? I have taken a buy, then I would have taken 23,400, yes, 23,350 or 400. If I will show you, uh, 23,350, right? How much was it? Okay, 130, 140, it is good. If you have 10,000 capital, then you can take a one lot in this, right? uh, 30 to 40, 200, like 70 pips around, right? So yeah, you can get 70 pips, 70 points, right? So that is what it is. Not consistent, it is just you can just increase your like what they sell quantity and get more result output, right? Because what you have to capture is 30 to 40 points pip on a regular basis, and your win rate would be very good, right? If you increase your win rate, your profit factor doesn't matter that much, right? We have a trending situation, right? We take trade in a trending market, so we have an trending positions. If you understand this, it is good. If not, try to rewatch the video, try to understand my concept, and I would link an video about this. You can see that too. Like I will show you some examples of this. I would have taken a trade. Generally wait for 15 minutes first and then try to take a trade. If this was the market, then I would have take a trade. I would have marked the high and the lows and then try to see when the market crosses and then take a trade here, right? And it will be like losing it. So not trade here. Right. In here I would have taken a sell of how many bits I could see. See. Hmm. From 30 bits I guess, not more than that. I would have I would have taken this trade or not based on if I am present at that time or not, right? I would have taken this trade right here. I would have taken this trade, and I have taken this trade, and I have like 10 or 5 pips only. Then I have to in break even. So yeah, this is the example. You can backtest it thoroughly with 1 or 2 months data, and you will see. Backtest it 1 or 2 times, like in a month, and do future testing. Because if you want to succeed in any system, then you have to do field testing and hands-on testing with yourself, right? Yeah, thank you and have a good day.